Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the GoPro Hero 9, and does it have an internal memory storage? Now, unfortunately, it does not have an internal memory storage. So if you want to take photos with your GoPro, you need to have an SD card. So here you can see right here next to the battery, there is an SD card that I have already inserted. Now, without this SD card, you will not be able to take photos or record video. So I'm going to turn on the GoPro right now. So just stay in black at the moment. So I'm just going to give it a few seconds. It just beep right there. So now at the moment it is switch on. So I'm trying to take a photo. It's a insert SD card, as you can see. So without an SD card, it will not allow you to record video or to take photos. So remember, when you are buying the GoPro Hero 9, also purchase an SD card. Without it, the camera will not be able to capture any footage. So you might get really excited once you receive your GoPro 9, but then you find out there's no way for you to save the photo or videos. Then you have to go and purchase this separately. So if you are buying this online, you might as well at the same time purchase a memory card or an SD card so that you can use it straight away upon receiving your GoPro. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.